the algebraic sum of deviation, see here, algebraic sum of deviation of frequency distribution from its mean is always dash. Algebraic sum of deviation from frequency distribution from its mean is always dash. Greater than 0, less than 0, 0, a non-zero number. This theory based question, very important theory in mean concept. Correct option is C. I will explain in two ways. One is sigma xi minus x bar equal to 0. This is one of the theorem in mean. I will explain by using example. Assume there are 4 subject marks, 65 in one subject, 70 in another subject, 80 in third and 85 in fourth subject. If you add all the values, 300. If you divide by 4, the average mark is 75. So this is the subject mark xi and this is x bar. So 75, 75, 75, 75. Subtract from this. So what is the value? Here it is minus 15, minus 5 and this is 5 and here it is 10. Sorry, minus 10. Add all the values, 0. Sum of deviation, minus 10, minus 15, 5, 10 are called deviation from arithmetic mean. This is the subject mark, average of all the 4 subject marks. Sum of all deviation, algebraic sum of deviation, this is algebraic sum of deviation from its mean. Mean is 75 and its value is 0. This is best example to understand the concept, but this is a standard theory. Sigma xi minus x bar equal to 0.